Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I recently got a new pots and pan set, and I have a really small kitchen and don't have room to store it. And I thought, what better way to display my pots and pans on this gorgeous pots and pan rack by Soduku. It's easy to install. There's 4 screws, and you would think the 4 screws would not hold it in very well, but it is on. Like, I am shaking with all my might and it's not going anywhere. It comes with 8 of these hooks. That is really cool how you install them. They slide down, and then there's a ball in the slit that holds it in place, so they will not be able to fall out. I really like this natural wood, and it goes really well with the room that it is in, right off of the kitchen. When I got it, I was a little worried because it does not look very wide. However, it's plenty big. Like, it really surprised me. So here is the biggest stock pot. You can see bigger than my head, and it hangs over just a little bit, but not enough where it's a problem at all or where it looks silly. Like, it is big enough for that. It also has slits between the wood pieces, and so that's really nice. I've been able to store my lids in between all the slots, and they stay in place. I am super impressed with how little space it takes up for how much it stores. This rack has surpassed my expectations by so far. I love it. It looks so perfect. My pots and pan set fits perfect on it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That's all I got. And that's my point of view.